Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring this 1948 Lincoln Continental Coupe. This Lincoln Continental is finished in Opal Blue Green over green interior. It has 68,528 miles on the odometer and a 292 cubic inch V12 engine. The history of the Lincoln Continental. It was developed from 1939 through 1948. The first generation Lincoln Continental was interrupted in production by World War II. As a result, automobiles would not be manufactured from 1942 through 1945 in America. Its return to production in 1946, the Continental went through revised changes in the body and in the engine. The former 292 cubic inch V12 went through several improvements that included high capacity oil pumps, cast iron heads, stronger internals, all to improve cooling capacity and longevity of the engine overall, while also providing extra horsepower. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.